Shawa Mawlong badan ke jingking jeri na madan Shri Rangthylliang hiar Udona Minister Government of India Shri Jyotiraditya scindya ban khmi ya ke jinglong jingman ka katkum ka sandur jong ka mei mariang lengba ki thiet jong ki ding jeri. Hakini ki banai bet ki sngi ka khon kun long try like and thai raj shabong khairim sim shim kala yo ban pinbit pinbyang ya ki linti singkien ki babyang nadu ka surok ban pinsuk ki dongwan jingo kai perthai. Ki badan ringkat hakani ka sngi nadu minister jong ka kot ka khia ba wailan miki shella SDO civil subdivision penusla kong EL warjri BDO jong ka penusla block ba El Kharman Sordar jong ka raj shabong ba H kongai ki rew rangba jong ka khun kor long try lai kan thai ki rangba shnong ki long kame ki khun samla ki bapdyang subha da ka shat bat ka tem ka pun hakati ka si layo ban hiar shakati ka jaka ban sakhi ya ka jings bun jong ka mei maryang ban ai ya ka rukom sandur jong ka lengba ka jingking Udona Minister Government of India Shri Jyotiraditya scindya ulaong badai ban buram ya ka mei maryang ka bala ai kum kine ki jing thau ba min toy na du ki long shwa man shwa jongi ha ka baling ba kini ki jingking ki la ban ya ban yeng ba ha ka khai ka pateng ha ka jinga kan du na ka wei ka shnong sha ka wei pan shushu ulaong ru badai ban ya dai ka mei maryang na mardai maka ka ba ai jing em yangi ban yo ki jing bam ki jing di bat ki jing don kam ba man la ka si
Hi. How are you?
Madam.
Baik.
No, you're saying that we need to spend on this. Yeah. All right, good. Abhinav. You go. I'm with you. Yeah. I'm with You're as old as my son. No wash, we go straight to the living room. Where? He can outrun you anytime. He was.
Oi. Ibu. Wit breu teh hap kena na jangan aja. Tapi yang mana? Tapi yang semua dia di bahaya.
Intergenerational. Okay, let's move on. Okay, move on.
Expecting this about almost 200 years old. This is nice.
Now, this is hold this.
Yeah.
Fine.
This bridge you have done, that's short.
Yeah, our warriors in the past traveled to there, protecting this area.
You like con rá đi khai nó trở bớt.
Into the vision of the past, the beauty, the tranquility of Mother Nature, the creativity of Mother Nature, as she wraps her arms around her earth. And through that natural enveloping and wrapping process provides a pathway for us mere mortals to be able to transport ourselves, to be able to communicate, to be able to touch, to be able to meet with each other. The natural beauty of Mother Nature, her enveloping warmth, is something that we as humans, we as Indians, and we as the people of Meghalaya must always treasure, must always worship, because it is she who is our protector. It is she who is our provider. And it is in her labyrinth that we, as mere trespassers over her territory, must protect, must preserve, and must worship. It has been the most enthralling experience to be in touch with the soil of the Meghalayan age, to be in touch with the roots that have given birth and treasured generations of natural born people. And in that environment, with profound humility, my head bowed in reverence to her, we must all take the pledge to spread her wonder far and wide, and in the same breath take the pledge to always protect and nurture her like she has for all of us for millions of generations. Kublai, and thank you, Mother Meghalaya, Mother Nature.
One more.